Hi everybody, just a quick video about Bitcoin and overall cryptocurrency. A small story really impressed me today and I thought I should talk about it, and also just a quick update on Bitcoin. As we all know that Bitcoin is making kind of all-time high. Very soon it's going to get to 64,800, which is the all-time high for Bitcoin, and it will keep going up, and very likely according to Big Plan and some of the other people who have been predicting on Bitcoin, it's going to go to over 100,000. So if we look at Bitcoin and quickly see how it is doing, I believe it is doing extremely well. And let's see if we can quickly have a look at that. The Bitcoin today is 61,804.37, and it is showing an increase also of 1.37 today. And the way it is going, sometime today, tomorrow is going to touch the all-time high. And that will be the time when probably it will go a little bit down, and that will be a time for everybody to step in if somebody has missed, somebody is suffering from FOMO. I believe Bitcoin is going to go to 100,000. I'm quite sure about that, but nothing can be said 100% about any cryptocurrency. But the story which really impressed me today, and which I think I should mention, first of all, generally speaking, Bitcoin is a great hedge against inflation. As we all know that we are heading toward inflation. If you look at prices, even in countries like Canada and US, the grocery prices and some of the grocery items prices are double. Gas prices are going high. So inflation is touching us, believe it or not, and it's going to go higher. And it is probably the best time that if we are making any saving, we should make savings in a currency like Bitcoin, which is deflationary coin. As we all know that its maximum supply will be 21 million. Right now it is around 18.8 million coins which are in circulation in the market. And it is not going to go beyond that. It's not going to be too much. It's not going to go too much higher. So the total number of Bitcoin will remain more or less, like it will definitely be not more than 21 million. The main thing which I would like to mention, that this can be, instead of putting money in your bank accounts, it is best choice to put money in Bitcoin or even in Ethereum. These are the big coins, stable coins, which will not deceive you. Even if they go down, they will ultimately go up. And if a story which impressed me, and I thought let's end up with that, is about a 4-year-old kid who made 6,500% profit on Bitcoin. The father of this toddler girl, he bought Bitcoin in 2017 for $915, and now that coin is over 60,000. So she made 6,500% profit on Bitcoin. So that's an inspiring story. I thought I should mention that this is probably the best way to save money now, instead of putting money in saving accounts in here and there, and then ending up finding out that you are actually losing your purchasing power. Put your money in Bitcoin, and definitely you can be a winner. Your children can be a winner. And further going in the story, it has been mentioned that the person who gave one Bitcoin gift to the child when the child was born, he paid around 5,000 Brazilian real at that time, and that's equal to 915 US dollars. And now that child is rich and is 60,000 rich. And the more, when we go deep into the story, he is the founder of Brazilian crypto exchange Foxbit. So he is the one who already knew that the Bitcoin will definitely go up, and he took advantage of that. We still believe that in future Bitcoin can go up to somewhere around 1 million or half a million. At least it won't be at this price. So you can not only you can save money in Bitcoin, but also you can basically increase value in Bitcoin. So I will highly recommend that put your money in Bitcoin or in other stable coins, not just in Bitcoin, in coins like DOT or coins like Ethereum, and definitely you can have a good future. In 4 years from now, you will be telling your children the same story, that I put this money in your account and now you are rich and you are not going to have financial problems. Thank you very much. I appreciate everybody for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe.